If you're looking for the most effective knee isometrics for you, I like to start kneeling. This is a great position because you can create massive amounts of tension. You can push down with the legs while pulling with the arms. Sometimes it's a little hard to feel the engagement of the muscles though, so you can try pulsing up and down a little bit. Feel the quads working, feel the tension going through the knees. Then you can clamp down. You can slowly build up that tension, 5, 10 seconds to build up, then hold for 10, 15, 20 seconds, depending on the intensity. Now, if the ankle is a limiting factor, you can put it over the edge of a bench or a box and do the same thing. Notice this is also nice because you can work one leg at a time. If this degree of flexion, this knee bend is too much for you, you can try something like this where you're pushing with the knee at a 90-degree angle or even further open like that. Over time, we want to gradually work our way into more knee bend. So here's another way we can do this without full knee bend. We can push down into the floor to engage the muscles around the knee. We can also close the angle from here. This is nice because you can pull on the foot while you drive down, create a lot of tension. Notice the hip is flexed, as with the other options. We can extend the hip as well, which is going to get the quad and hip flexors a little bit more stretched. So you can figure out which positions allow you to load the spot you want. Now, if you want to go more extreme, here we got full hip extension, full knee flexion. This is going to be much more intense, and for some people, it takes the focus way off of the knee. For others, it addresses exactly what they need. So I would not start with this, but you can work towards it with something like this, where you're not in that full knee flexion, but you are in full hip extension. Remember, you can be creative. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's. The idea is we want to load the knee, the tendons around it, and make them work at an intensity that works for you. It doesn't create pain that you can do consistently.